That's some old hay. So now that I've assembled these, I have to fill them. I've put some old decaying logs in first. I think I'll use dirt from this bed, some from there and there to put in these because we have a fence up now and our tractor scooper is broken at the moment, so it's been a little bit of a challenge trying to figure out how to fill these. I bent this one up with the wheelbarrow. Yeah, we're gonna figure it out. Isn't that right, pup? There you go. Lay on down. So this has filled up quite nicely. This bed over here did not thrive, so I'm okay with digging it up because these will thrive right here. Okay, I've got a bag of black cow. I'm going to put that in there to amend the soil. And we're going to plant some red onions, some sweet onions in this bed. Dirt. Woo! This is called amending your soil. Alright, you can work it in. This is natural, organic fertilizer from cows. It's been aged. Plants love it. Work it in. It is warming up today. What is it? The 26th of February. Feels like a nice spring day, so all the flowers will start popping soon. And time to plant the seeds. Now leave it, baby. It's recording mommy. Dirt looks good. Oh, nicely. The dirt looks perfect, nice and rich. And over here, that's an existing one. And over here, we're working on getting this one filled up. I've got another box of leaves that we raked up. I'm going to dump in here. And I've got my compost tumbler over there I'm going to dump in. So why don't we go ahead and do that? Right here.
Alright. I was just here.
Oh, you come in, be in the picture.
Alright.
Come over here.
Alright.
So these leaves will... Okay, put it down. Babe, can you put it down? Okay, over here. Turn it this way. Okay, so these leaves will decompose and provide nutrients as they continue to decompose for your garden. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
What you doing?
Oh, it's over.
You got a bracelet? We are ready to go on the pond now. That thing is sweet. Blood meal has nitrogen, and for root vegetables, you want phosphorus. So you've got to pay attention to your fertilizers and where you're putting them. It's not live. We're not live. Just checking with you over there. Go down to the bottom and pick one of them and pull it out. Did you get it? Nothing on it. Yeah, those aren't quite ready. And I don't know. Got a big carrot. There you go. Back up some. There you go. We gotta wash it off. It's got dirt. We'll wash it off and then you can eat it. Okay? Good job. Yeah. Good job, Lacey. Yours is over there.